In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove search engines from Chrome and remove unwanted search engines. If your Chrome browser has extra search engines listed that you no longer use, or maybe one was added by accident, this is a quick setting you can clean up in just a moment. Removing unwanted search engines can help keep your browser organized and make it easier to choose the search provider you actually want to use. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find a variety of browser options and settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab. On the Settings screen, look for the Search Engines section. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear in the left-hand menu or directly on the page. Click Search Engine to open the related options. Next, click Manage Search Engines. In some versions of Chrome, this section may also include site search settings, but the idea is the same. This is where Chrome stores the search engines connected to your browser. Here, you'll see a list of available search engines, including the default one and any others that have been added over time. Now find the specific search engine you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check the name so you don't delete the wrong one by mistake. Once you've found it, click the three dots next to that search engine. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for that entry. From that menu, click Delete. As soon as you do that, Chrome will remove that search engine from the list. If you have more than one unwanted search engine, you can repeat the same process for each one. One helpful tip is to make sure you don't remove a search engine you still want to keep as your default. If the option to delete doesn't appear for a particular entry, it may be because Chrome is currently using it or because that option is restricted. And that's it. By opening Chrome, going to the three-dot menu, selecting Settings, choosing Search Engine, opening Manage Search Engines, and deleting the unwanted entry from its three-dot menu, you can quickly clean up your browser and keep your search settings under control.